Hi, Mr. Katz here. I have to walk my dog a lot of mornings before school, and that's what I'm doing today. We only have a 20-minute class, so Ms. Whitehead, Ms. Griffin, and I thought it might make sense to just make a video for you explaining a little bit about the class, and then you'll be able to come back tomorrow and have a rich, full day. So the class is called World Literature and Composition. So, as you might guess, there's going to be plenty of reading literature, thinking about and talking about literature, and organized writing, which is what composition is. Writing that has a specific purpose and is put together in a specific way in order to work best. So, when you think about literature, think about primarily fiction, short stories, novels, poetry, but also literary nonfiction, writing that is really intended to make a reader feel or think a certain way, really carefully structured. You'll be reading a lot of it, and of course you're going to have to analyze it. You're going to have to talk about what you've read and why it matters. Then you're going to be doing writing. You're going to write some fiction, some poetry, plenty of essays, and also make presentations. Ms. Whitehead and Ms. Griffin will tell you more about that.
Hi, Ms. Whitehead here. As international school students, it's going to become very important that you analyze things with a global perspective. There's no better place to do that than in world literature. So as we read the different materials this year, we will be looking through a lens of different people's perspectives, and we will be trying to make sure that we are not just seeing things through our own lens or our own perspective. Other things that are going to be extremely important to us will be grammar, so much fun, vocabulary, and especially you taking personal accountability for your own learning. This is a year and a time and a chance for you to change and grow and prepare yourself for what life has to offer you in the future. I hope that you'll take this opportunity to truly study, learn, and contribute to class as we take this journey through world literature together. Why does your class feel so much bigger?
There's something else important that we have to tell you. There's a theme for the year, and the theme is metamorphosis. You'll remember metamorphosis from your science classrooms, at least, when a caterpillar, for example, goes through a stage as a pupa and then emerges as a butterfly. That's a metamorphosis. A metamorphosis is a distinct change between stages in life. Believe it or not, Ms. Whitehead and I met at a different stage in our lives. Neither of us was a parent, and now we're both parents. We both taught at Denny, 20 years ago?
Like 97?
Yeah, 20 years ago.
We'll show you a picture of the metamorphosis.
Just about 20 years ago. And, right, we will. It's true. It's true. We sang at the talent show together at Denny, right?
Yes, we did. We sang Love Stinks.
Hurts.
Love Hurts.
Love Hurts.
Love Hurts. Love
that
Desert.
was a real metamorphosis.
Yes.
Anyway, we're going to look at a lot of things this year through the lens of metamorphoses. That's the plural, you know.
Oh,
You have
thanks.
one metamorphosis, but if you have two of them,
Metamorphoses.
you got it.
C's.
You're going to write a lot.
You got to read a lot.
You're going to speak a lot. We haven't talked about presentations.
No, but we're going to do several of them.
Presentations are going to be an important part of the class. And we are going to talk to you about class expectations and such for the remainder of this week and into the beginning of next week. Love you, though. We really do.
We
right?
do.
It's
Yes.
true.
I love you more.
She does love you more.
Okay. Do we want to take...